So Rhonda, now that I've had a chance to show you a little bit about your water, what are your thoughts?
I am very excited about this. I'm excited to use it in my household, with my family. My daughter has eczema. She will definitely benefit from this as well. But this is going to be a really good thing for us.
Absolutely. And one of the things that we do for all of our customers is we give you a 5-year supply of all natural soaps and cleaning products. So what you can do is you can take a significant amount of the money that you're already spending anyway, like on Walmart, Target, wherever you go buying all your cleaning products, and we actually give you a 5-year supply of all natural soaps and cleaning products. It includes your bar soap, shampoo, laundry detergent, dishwashing detergent, multi-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner, all the stuff that you would normally be spending, I believe you said around $100 a month.
Oh, definitely.
And then you take a significant portion of that and put it back into your pocket and still enjoy the benefits of having clean water throughout your entire home and protecting the investment of your home. One thing that I didn't tell you yet is about 17 to 22% of the home is just in its plumbing supply. Whether it's the plumbing distribution system, the water heaters, faucets, fixtures, bathtub, shower sinks, toilets, any of that kind of stuff, 17 to 22% of the value of your home is tied up in that.
Yes.
So I'm sure now that you can understand how having clean water will help protect that investment, right?
Yes.
So I wanted to show you some of the fragrances. This is what I use in my house. This is the laundry fragrance that I use. It's called Fresh and Clean. Now, the soaps are from a soap company called Sonoma County Soap Company. Sonoma County Soap Company is one of the leading all-natural soap companies in the United States. And it's a 5-year supply formulated for a family of 4.
I like this. It's really fresh, very clean,
Right.
brisk. Yeah, I like that.
Excellent. And then do you like lavender?
I do.
Okay, so my wife loves this one. It's the lavender chamomile.
Oh. Oh yes, I love this.
Awesome.
Yes, it's very soft. I like that.
Now, I'm gonna let you smell something just because I'm curious for my own information.
Okay.
It's called almond verbena. This is what I use as my shower gel. I've let a lot of different customers smell it, and it's usually the men. They're like, oh, that smells great. It's very masculine. It's awesome. Has this musk kind of a scent. And some women are like, oh, no, I don't like that one. I want to know your opinion.
No, I really like this.
You do like that one?
Yeah, I really like this because it's not too strong, and sometimes you want something different than a floral fragrance.
For sure.
Yeah.
And that's what I like. So anyway, there's a lot of different fragrances. You can actually pick and choose and customize your own fragrances. We would love to walk you through that process and show you how that works. But again, my name is JD and I'm with Affordable Quality Water. I wanted to thank you for taking the time to watch this. Rhonda, thank you for joining us. You were fantastic. And she's one of your neighbors out here, so if you see her in the neighborhood, make sure you say, hey, you're famous, right? So it's a lot of fun. So thank you again for watching. My name's JD. If you have any questions, reach out to us. You can find us online at Affordable Quality Water or getqualitywater.com. Again, that's getqualitywater.com, or feel free to give us a call at 281-918-3355.